ABC Educational Channel.
Today, we are going to talk about do and does. Now, let's take a look how to use do.
I do. You do.
We do.
They do. You do.
And how to use does.
He does.
She does.
It does.
Let's read it again. I do. You do. We do. They do. He does. She does. It does. James does. Now, let's try to make a question using do. Instead using I do, you say, do I? Do you? Do we? Do they? For example, do I want this book? Do you have a pen? Do we have an English class? Do they like dogs? Now, let's try to make a question using does. Let's put does to the front. Does he? Does she? Does it? Does James? Does he want a cup of coffee? Does she have a shoes? Does it look nice on you? Does James do his project? Let's practice to make more questions using do and does. Does Jean live in Japan?
No, she doesn't. She lives in America.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I do.
Do they eat rice?
No, they don't.
Does the director like coffee?
Yes, she does.
Does she dance well?
Yes, she does.
Awesome, kids!